about to find out how much trouble a lie can get you into.
Here you go, Howard.
Hey, Edward's back. Hey, where you been, Edward?
I bet you dudes is wondering how come I ain't wearing no shoes. Well, I'll tell you, and this ain't no lie. I'm here visiting from Florida, where I've been wrestling a mess of the meanest alligators you ever laid eyes on.
Gee. Wait a minute. What's being barefoot got to do with wrestling alligators?
Them alligators ate 'em up as fast as I put 'em on. How come? Alligators like soul food. This kind of soul food. Get it?
Harbor, harbor. Do you really wrestle alligators down in Florida, Edward?
None of you cats ever been down to Florida, have you? Gather around me, man, and I'll fill you in. And let me tell you about them Neverglades. Down there, they got the meanest, viciousest, savagest critters you ever seen. Giant snapping turtles, ferocious catfish and dogfish, leopard sharks and tiger sharks.